Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2025 Range Rover Evoque. Now of course this car comes with full LED headlights, daytime running lights. You also get front parking sensors. You get these brilliant diamond cut 20-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get. Of course, with it being a 2025, it is in pristine condition. Showing you the rear sensors here, you can see along the bottom, and the reversing camera at the top. Tap the button, you get a full electric opening tailgate. You've then got plenty of space inside of here as well, including a three-way splitting rear bench. Then to lower the tailgate, simply tap the button at the top and it will drop down like so. Then coming around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back now, we've got full black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. Full electric windows all around. Into the front, you've got an electric driver's seat with memory function. You also get an electric driver's adjustment for the passenger as well. We've got your automatic gearbox in the middle, which you can see just here. You've got a little bit of additional storage space for your phone charger in here, and a few little coins maybe, or keys just there. Then we have your infotainment display as well, which you can see you get satellite navigation. You get your various audio sources here, so you can have Bluetooth, DAB, FM and AM. You come to the home menu. On here you can see you get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay as well, and you can go on the cameras to look around on there. Then over to the steering wheel. You've got your Bluetooth hands-free, track select. You also have your onboard computer controls on the left as well. Then your volume is just here as well, with your voice assistant and vehicle assists. Over on the right you have your cruise control and speed limiter as well, with your heated steering wheel. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Evoque has done 12,511 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Range Rover Evoque, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.